Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Silpat Mats is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any baker's arsenal, promising effortless cleanup, even baking, and countless recipe possibilities, from delicate macarons to crispy cookies, transforming your baking experience from a messy chore into a joyful creation. Number 5. Silpat Premium Baking Mat. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. It turns any pan into a non-stick surface, saving you valuable time and effort. Use it instead of parchment paper for any recipe. It eliminates the need for butter, grease, or sprays, making baking easier than ever. Made with fiberglass mesh and high-quality food-grade silicone, it ensures consistent heat distribution for perfectly even baking and browning. As the original non-stick baking mat, it's been a favorite among demanding chefs for years. It meets the highest standards for food safety and quality. It's freezer, microwave, and oven safe, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Measuring 11 to 5/8 x 16 to 12 inches, it's designed to fit a standard 13 by 18 inch pan perfectly. Get yours today and experience the difference. Enjoy effortless baking and perfectly baked goods every time. What we like? It's the perfect size for a half-sheet pan, ensuring even baking and effortless cleanup. If you need a reliable mat for standard-sized baking projects and value easy cleanup, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it suitable for various recipes and baking needs. What people say? No sticking at all on my baking tray. They grip the sheet pan much better, making them stay in place. They clean easier and don't discolor. My cookies bake much more evenly. Nothing seems to stick to it. Use them in my baking trays and now have some coming for my freeze dryer. You still need to wash them, but honestly as dip in warm soapy water and they are clean. Number 4. Silpat Premium Baking Mat. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. This mat turns any pan into a non-stick surface, saving you time and effort. It's the perfect replacement for parchment paper, butter, and cooking sprays. It's reusable and better for the environment. Made with fiberglass mesh and high-quality silicone, it ensures even baking and browning every time. Silpat is the original non-stick baking mat, trusted by demanding chefs for its quality and performance. Simply rinse with soapy water and let it air dry. It's easy to store, laying flat or rolling it up. Use it in the oven, microwave, or freezer. It's safe for temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like? This medium-sized mat is perfect for smaller batches or recipes. It promotes even browning and is incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a smaller, more manageable size for your baking projects, this is the ideal choice, offering the same great performance in a compact form. What people say? It is made by the inventor of silicone mats and is top quality, and safe for food. Easy to clean with a sponge. Baked goods slide right off of the mats, which are easy to clean. Number 3. Silpat Baking Mat. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. This amazing mat turns any pan into a non-stick surface, saving you time and effort. It's the perfect replacement for parchment paper, butter, and oils. Use it for any baking recipe, sweet or savory. Made with fiberglass mesh and food-grade silicone, it ensures consistent heat distribution for perfectly even baking and browning every time. It's the original non-stick baking mat, loved by demanding chefs for its durability and performance. Generously sized at 16 to 12 x 24 to 12 inches, it fits standard sheet pans. It's also safe for oven, microwave, and freezer use. Simply rinse with soapy water and let it air dry. Store it flat or rolled up for easy storage. Perfect for sticky doughs, caramels, and more. Nothing sticks to this incredible mat, unleashing your baking creativity. What we like? It's the ultimate choice for large baking projects, providing a completely non-stick surface. If you frequently bake large batches or work with sticky ingredients, this mat is your best bet. Its large size accommodates even the most ambitious baking endeavors. What people say? The measurements are very important. This mat is very big and takes up my entire oven space. The dough slid between the two layers with ease, and I didn't have to keep adding flour. This meant that the cookies made from re-rolled scraps were as light and tender as those from the first rolling. My pastry no longer sticks, causing holes to be patched because nothing sticks to the Silpat. Number 2. Silpat Cookie Baking Mat. Say hello to Silpat, the original non-stick baking mat trusted by top chefs worldwide. It's made from high-quality silicone and fiberglass for even baking every time. It provides consistent heat distribution, ensuring your cookies bake perfectly and evenly. No more hot spots or uneven browning. With its exceptional non-stick surface, cookies slide right off effortlessly. You can kiss goodbye to using oil, butter, or parchment paper. It's freezer, microwave, and oven safe, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. It's truly a versatile baking essential. This rectangular mat measures 12 by 17 inches, ideal for a 13 by 18-inch pan. It's the perfect size for baking a large batch of cookies. Upgrade your baking experience with Silpat. Enjoy perfectly baked cookies, easy cleanup, and years of reliable use. What we like. This mat is specially designed for baking cookies, ensuring even baking and easy release. If you love baking cookies and want perfectly baked, easy to remove cookies every time, then this is the mat for you. Say goodbye to sticking and hello to perfectly formed cookies. What people say. Non-stick every time, easy to use, easy to clean. The quality you look with this brand. Saves on getting paper liners. It's a great alternative and perfect for baking cookies and my curry puff pastries. It hand washes so easy and then rolls up for storage. I did not notice any smell or have any issues with temperature. Number 1. Silpat 8 Round Cake Liner. Say hello to effortless baking with Silpat, the original non-stick baking mat. It's perfect for cakes, pastries, and more, ensuring even baking and easy cleanup. Made from high-quality food-grade silicone and fiberglass mesh, it provides consistent heat distribution for perfectly browned goods every time. It eliminates the need for butter, oil, or parchment paper, making baking healthier and easier. Just place it on your baking sheet and get started. Its non-stick surface ensures your creations release perfectly, and cleanup is a breeze. Simply rinse with soapy water and let it air dry. It's safe for use in the oven, microwave, and freezer, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a kitchen essential that will last for years. Trusted by chefs worldwide, it's the original non-stick baking mat that guarantees consistent, delicious results. Upgrade your baking experience today. What we like. This round baking mat is perfect for creating beautiful round cakes and pastries. It offers easy cleanup and ensures even baking. If you specialize in round-shaped treats or simply love the convenience of easy cleanup, this is the perfect addition to your baking arsenal. What people say. Protects the surface and keeps the pot from sliding, unless you get it wet. I never knew the answer to making a pizza and not have to dig it out of a stainless steel pan. With this item I just made my first pizza that I didn't have to dig and scrape to get it out of the pan. Perfect for cakes, brownies, and savory items like scallopy potatoes, even pies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.